In our 10-year-old boys division, we have the Wings B team in Wing 2, and 8 teams in Wing 3. Parent and Express A is in 4, H-Town Hurricanes A in 5, Parent and Express B team in Wing 6, H-Town Hurricanes B team.
You see Layla Hudson anywhere?
And winner in Wing 8 will beat the Maine and Jaguars. Competing for the Wings B team is the team of Jones.
Okay.
That's Colin Jones, Jace Jones, Wilmington, and Thomas. For the Wings E, it's Hall Jr., Andrew Hall Jr., Braden Mitchell, Coleman, and Small. PTX, A is from Corporal Hopkins, St. John. Lakes. PGSB is Bader Smith, Caleb Whitaker, Roman, and Catley. Hurricane B team consists of a team of Mercy Jr., Kimball, Johnson, and Barnes. And the Mainland Jaguars team consists of Boyd, Thomas, Wolf, and Sudanese.
Let's go, Bill!
If I could have your attention, please. If I could have your attention, please. If there are any available volunteers that can help remove blocks as we get into the older age divisions for this particular race, your help would be greatly appreciated at the finish line. So if you're a volunteer, you can help out removing blocks. Please report to the finish line at this time.
Thank you. Let's go, Brandon! Let's go, Brandon! Let's go, Jackson! Let's go, Brandon! Go, Brandon! Go, Brandon! Whoa! Good pace! Hold those arms! You got it! You got it! Keep going! Keep going! Keep going, Brandon!
This will be the final call for all 14-year-old girls and boys 4x400m relay. This is the final call for all girls and boys 4x400m relay teams. The final call.
Let's go, Chris!
Go, Brandon! Go! Push! Push! You got it! Brandon, go! Go! You got it, Brandon! Take it! Take it!
Let's go, Brandon!
You want to put this for real? Yes, this for real. Yes, this for real. Let's go! Open your front up!
Let's go, Gabe! Relax, relax! Let's go, Gabe!
Let's go, Wings!
Go,
Go, Wings! Go, Wings! Go, Wings! Go, Wings!
You good? Go ahead.
Man, yeah.
I told you.